Welcome students. Today we are going to start class 9 political science chapter 2 constitutional design. In previous chapter we learned about democracy, what is democracy, why democracy and most common form of democracy, that is representative democracy. In democracy rulers are not free to do what they like. There are certain basic rules that the citizens and the government have to follow. All such rules together are called constitution. In this chapter we look about constitution, why do we need a constitution, how constitution drawn up, why, who designed them and so on. We begin this chapter by looking what happened in South Africa. When they got freedom and how they designed their constitution. Students, do you heard about Nelson Mandela? Yes, he was the leader of National Congress in South Africa and became the first president of independent South Africa. Here, he said he fought for South African democratic and free society for a long time. He fought against white domination over black in South Africa. He wanted South Africa with harmony and peace and with equal opportunities for all. Nelson Mandela was spent 28 years in dangerous jail for opposing apartheid system in South Africa. Now what is apartheid system? Apartheid system means an official policy of racial discrimination in South Africa in 1948 to till 1989. Struggle against apartheid system. There was racial discrimination in South Africa in 17th to 18th century, where all things were segregated for whites and blacks, like public toilet, churches, school, etc. All are separated for both blacks and white. Black couldn't protest against that terrible treatment against white. Then ANC led struggle against the segregation policy. What is ANC? ANC, African National Congress. They protest marches and strikes. While racist government tortured and killed thousands of black and colored people. As protests increased, after all, the white government changed its policies. After 28 years of imprisonment, Nelson Mandela walked out of jail and both South Africa and Mandela was freed. The apartheid government came to an end. And Nelson Mandela became the first president of New South Africa. He said his wishes was that he want a good South Africa with inherent human goodness and equality. He appealed his people to forgive whites for atrocities what they had did while in power. After 2 years of discussion, they made a finest constitution the world has ever had. They came up with the best constitution in the world as they forgot their bitter experiences and binding glue of a rainbow nation. Rainbow nation means including all color citizens of their country. Next, why do we need a constitution? South Africa example is a good way to understand why we need a constitution and what do constitution do. In South Africa, whites agreed to the principal rule that one person, one vote. For maintaining their trust to each other, black and white, they made rules which decide the power of elected government, what to do and what not to do. They agreed on some basic rules and this set of basic rules is called constitution. Students, if you remember, I told you in first chapter that all countries having constitution are not necessarily democratic, but all democratic countries must have constitution. So, it has in practice to all democratic countries to have a written constitution. Next, in next video, we will look upon the making of Indian constitution.